Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today I want to show you two very big invitations to the bulls are on the way, and when they will be appeared on the charts, you will see a massive rally by the Bitcoin. So don't skip the video, watch all the video up to the end. And if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here. I've shared in the video's description. Now, first of all, before showing you two invitations, two signals to the bulls, let me to show you this chart because this is very important. Previously, I've been telling you that there are 2 points. Whenever the price action will go to those points, you will see a lot of buying by the traders. One was this area that starts from $31,000 and goes to $28,800. This is a very strong support zone, and you can see whenever the price action was moving in this area, we have only the wicks of the candlesticks that was showing that the sellers are very weak in this area. And whenever the price line was moving in this area, the traders accumulated more and more Bitcoins. And here you can see finally we had this bullish engulfing candlestick that was appeared here and led to a very big rally towards the upside beyond $40,900 so far. Now we have two rejections or resistance lines here. One was $36,000 and other one was $40,000, and you can see that so far the price action has successfully broken out this $36,000 support level, and it is showing that now we have a very strong support of $36,000. If there will be any correction rally, then the price action may retest $36,000 and then start moving towards the upside to continue this rally. Now, it is very important for the price action to break above this $40,000 level. Now, I want to show you the second point that I told you previously, that when we will see the price action will be moved above that level, then there will be a lot of traders jump into the Bitcoin to buy more and more Bitcoins. And that was the EMA 21 weekly. And now we can see the price action has successfully bounced by this 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart, and now at this time it is likely to break out this EMA 21 weekly. At this time it is moving above EMA 21 weekly. You can watch the value of the EMA 21 weekly here, and you can see that I'm just going to place my mouse here, and you can see the value is $39,444. Now if we switch to the small time frame chart, for example, I'm just going to switch to the daily time frame, then yesterday we had the closing above EMA 21 weekly, and now we are at this time moving above EMA 21 weekly. But it is very important to have closing above EMA 21 weekly on the weekly time frame chart. Then it will be considered that now the price action has broken out this EMA 21. And this was the second point that I have been telling you in my previous videos, that once the price line will be closed above the EMA 21 weekly, then there will be a lot of traders start buying Bitcoin. One was this point, another one was above EMA 21. Now in today's video, I want to show you two very big invitations are on the way, and after that, when they will be appeared on the chart, there will be a massive rally. One is the closing above EMA 21. Therefore, this upcoming Monday is very important because it depends where the price action will be closed. If it will be closed on Monday above this EMA 21, that will be the first signal that this bull run will be continued. And the second invitation, the second bullish signal is that is going to be appeared is the golden cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. This is the 200. This yellow one is the 200 simple moving average, and this green one is the 50 simple moving average. And you can see that this green simple moving average, the 50 simple moving average, is now has started moving towards the upside, and this golden cross is the lagging indicator. Therefore, it is possible that before this cross happens, when this 50 simple moving average will cross up the 200 simple moving average, before this cross, we will see a massive rally, because previously we have seen that before this death cross, when this 50 simple moving average started moving towards the upside, we just saw a curve towards the downside, and you can see that there was a very massive rally towards the downside, a very bearish move, even though the cross was formed between the 50 and 200 simple moving average here. But before this cross, we have seen a very massive rally towards the downside. Same as like that, before this golden cross, like for example, if it will be formed here or somewhere else, before this golden cross, we can expect a very massive rally towards the upside. And this rally that has just started is just a beginning of the golden cross. This is an indication that golden cross can soon be happen, because the 50 simple moving average is showing its move, its curvy move. You can see that it has started moving towards the upside on the daily time frame, so we can expect that soon it can form the golden cross. However, we are also having a very strong resistance of the 100 simple moving average as well. We have so many resistance levels for the price line to be broken out as soon as possible. Like we have the 40,000 level, we have EMA 21 weekly, we have the 100 daily simple moving average, then 200 simple moving average. However, this movement of the 50 simple moving towards the upside is very optimistic. If I switch to the 4-hour chart, then we can see on the 4-hour chart, this golden cross has just been formed here, and soon it will be reflected on the daily time frame. So two things are very important. One is that we should have the closing above the weekly EMA 21, and that will be the first signal. Definitely after that there will be more buying. However, once this golden cross will be formed, after that and even before that, we will see very massive buying. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.